Hello everybody. Today we have a NekTeck 2.5 inch and 3.5 inch drive toaster. This is a USB 3.1 type C, and there is the DC power jack and Chinese export FCC, don't recycle. There is our model number, 6619C3, 2.5 inch, 3.5 inch dock. So I call these toasters because they remind me of toasters. You take your hard drive and you just pop it in the top, and that's it. It reads and writes over USB 3.1 Type C, which is 10 gigabits a second. So this Scorpio Blue 500 gig drive doesn't read and write that fast. I think its max is like 75 read and write. So to really get the speed out of this, an SSD would be amazing in this. That is for damn sure. You can almost use it as like a flash drive then. Almost. So on top we have shock, I'm not sure what that means. We have an access light, and you can see the inside, quite nice. And this thing feels like a little brick. I mean, it is heavy. And so I'm going to open it up so we can see what in the hell is inside, because I want to know why it's so damn heavy. Normally toasters are just pieces of plastic that are nice and light. This has been built in a way that it feels like you can put your drive in and you can still lift it out, but you can lift it out with one hand pretty easy. I do not have, oh yes I do, I'm lying. Here is a 3.5 inch drive. So as you can see, 3.5 inch. Whoop, I hit the tripod. Sorry about that. 3.5 inch. You need to use a little bit, you have to use two hands. There's no chance I can get it out with one. Big drive like this, it's hard to manhandle with one hand. But as you can see, works just fine with both sizes of drives. So let me grab the screwdriver and we shall, oop, where'd it go? There it is. Open this up because I want to know why it's so heavy. Be right back. Okay. So I have the board out, and man, there's absolutely nothing on the backside but a 3-pin Molex, and that's really about it. Just a couple traces, nothing too much. And then on the top side we have an inverter, a couple caps, two 8-pin, 3 8-pin chips, your little power switch. There's your DC jack, your SATA port with power, and your USB Type C connector. And let's see if I can get that VAI. Come on, focus. There it went. VL716-Q4 1551, so 2015 51st week that chip was made, would be my presumption. Got a little flux residue over here. At least that's what it looks like. Other than that, that's a pretty simple board and layout. Like, damn dead simple. All three 8-pin packages are different. So that's what it looks like. Our power delivery section to the power socket. So this side's our power, this side's our data. And this is our data going out. Right there. At least that's what I would assume, yeah. Oh no. No. I'm dumb. Data going out there. Duh. This is to power the LED light. There is a little tiny board down in there. So that's pretty nifty. Oh, yes. And what was making that board, or that thing so heavy, is it has a big-ass piece of ferrite down there. And that's what was making that thing so heavy. I mean, good God. That is massive. So, that's really it. The case itself is actually really well built. This spring hinge here is really tough. And the rest of the case, as you can see, the inside is one piece. It's screwed in. And then the outside is one piece. So that's quite nice. I have to say, I do like that. And it has that little daughter board for the LED, which is interesting. Yeah, damn nice device. Works as you would expect. It's just a USB drive, so nothing special there. Generic Windows driver works. So here is the adapter, and as you can see, it is a 12-volt 2.5 amp adapter, and I say that's a 5mm adapter with a center positive. And here is the Type-C USB 3.1 cable that it comes with, and I don't have any standard USB 3 with me, but that doesn't look like it's the pale blue. That just looks like the normal blue of the USB 3.0. 3.1 is supposed to use pale blue and not the standard blue. And there's our USB-C connector. And yeah. Oh, damn it. Sorry, guys. Making you sick here, I'm sure. So, that was a teardown of the NekTeck 3.1C USB SATA 3.5 inch and 2.5 inch drive toaster. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you dislike the video, tell me why down in the comments below, and then hit that like button. I do these videos Monday, Wednesday, Friday, so get subscribed. Mondays are Let's Plays, Wednesdays are product reviews, Fridays are whatever I feel like it, and Far Out Fridays. So stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.